Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope सब लोग ठीक हो. I just wanted to make this video because I had my first ever solo travel in Albania on the or as my solo birthday trip, and it started with Albania. So I was in Tirana and then went to Sarande and Vellore. That's me right there posing, showing my outfit because yeah, why not? It was so hot, but yeah. And then this is the bus where I traveled from. So basically, what I did, I traveled through buses around the towns and around Albania. That was very convenient and it was cheap instead of renting a car because I don't know how to drive. And this was Sarande, my first place. Just it was very beautiful. I went on the beach after that and the weather was amazing. It was so nice and warm in compared to London, and that's where I went at the night, had some food. This is the boat trip that I did after that you will see now, and it was very cheap, around 35-40 euros, and the journey begins. There was everybody was from different culture, different people. I've never experienced something like that. The water was so blue, like crystal clear blue, and yeah, that's me. I jumped into water. I don't know swimming, like I know swimming, but I don't know in deep water. So I was swimming there with a life jacket. It's my first time ever doing that as well, so yeah, that's me again. And we had consecutive two boats, so that was one, and the one that was I was on, it was another one. Just look at the views. Oh my god, it was so nice, so windy, so sandy though, but and so salty as well because of the water. I enjoyed every bit of it. Like I've never seen this crystal clear blue water ever in my life. This was the first time, and I was amazed, just amazed. This was the part where we were there for like 2 hours. I forgot the name of the place, but yeah, and that's the perfume. Basically, the lady was selling it for 30 euros. And I went out for dinner. I made a friend as well, so we went out together, exploring the city around. And that's the club we went. It was okay. It was good enough. Yeah. This was the hostel that I stayed in. I preferred a hostel over like Airbnbs because I wanted to rent an Airbnb on the day of my birthday, which I did later on. It was pretty good hostel and it was cheap as well. This is the road that leads to another destination, that's Vellore. Okay, so that's the apartment that I rented on the day of my birthday. So basically on the 25th. My birthday is on 26th. So there, yeah, that's me recording. The room was pretty great, like really nice. And that was the view, or basically the city of Vellore. My hotel, my Airbnb was right in the center of the city. So I explored a bit, roaming around here and there, and yeah, that's me chilling on the beach. My favorite part. If I have a wish, I would never go, मतलब मैं कभी जाऊँ ना बीच को छोड़ के. अगर कोई भी मुझे जानता है, they know that मुझे बीच बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, and if I have a like say in that, I would prefer beach over anything else. And that's the puppy I met. Oh my god, उसका नाम बोरा था. Bora, how cute. Look at the sunset. It was all मतलब पूरा ऐसा golden pink, the shades of pink and golden. There's a sunset again. I was just sitting there, like मैं वहाँ just बैठी थी with my thoughts and what is going on in life, क्या चल रहा है, क्या होगा, where am I? I'm so grateful that I'm able to travel. And मैंने वापस boat trip किया. I don't remember ये 3 में से कोई एक होगा. That's me getting ready. बस लाइक वो बोलते हैं ना, वेकेशन ग्लो होता है. माई हेयर वॉज ऑन पॉइंट, माई स्किन, द कॉन्फिडेंस, लाइक मस्त अकेले घूमो, एन्जॉय करो. just look at me. Wow. Ignore, I'm very self obsessed. That's me on the boat as well. उन्होंने बोला था अगर if you don't know how to swim you have to wear a life jacket. So I was like, yeah, obviously I don't want to die before my birthday. Just you guys can enjoy the view. It was pretty amazing. And that's was our boat driver ही बोलता है, I guess. And he was so good, like उसने इतना अच्छे से boat चलाया. And he was like woo यहाँ वहाँ, like we didn't even like fell. ऐसे लग रहा था कि अभी गिर जाएंगे. Look at him driving. Crazy. The water was so freaking deep. Like मैंने कभी ज़िंदगी में ऐसा वो नहीं किया है. ये हस्की अली केव है. If I hope I'm spelling or saying it right, but it was just amazing. Basically इसका एक बैक स्टोरी ये है कि when there was war people used to hide there. So इसीलिए उन्होंने ये केव बनाया था. And then it's still there obviously many years ago. And that's me again getting ready for my solo birthday dinner. Yes, मतलब मुझे रेडी होना नहीं था basically, but मुझे होना भी था. So it was mixed feeling. So I did get ready. थोड़ा मेकअप किया, थोड़ा पोज किया, clicked a lot of pictures. Yeah, I had food. I had pasta that you will see next. I like fish a lot. So basically वो वैसा था. And that's me going for the last bit that I did on my birthday. That was paragliding. That's the pancake I had instead of cake. The tan, मतलब मेरा पूरा body, it was like fully tan. And yeah, this experience, oh my god, it was crazy. I was shit scared at the start because मैंने कभी किया नहीं है. It's an unknown country में, the views, like you guys can see how happy I am and how scared, but at the same time it was amazing. मतलब मुझे पता नहीं मैं describe कैसे करूँ ये feeling को. That was the end of my trip. I promised myself कि मैं कुछ adventurous करूँगी मेरे birthday पे. Solo trip was pretty adventurous, but for me मुझे और कोई sport करना था. I like doing sports, like adventurous sports. So I did that. It costed me around 60 euros. Not bad, but it was very good. I'm breathing in and out, like I'm just in awe of how beautiful it can be. And at the end मैंने थोड़ा Tirana explore किया. This was the way of going through the bus to the bus station. Yeah, bye guys.